Good morning, y'all. I just wanted to pop on here real quick and make a very short video on how to clean your silicone mats. I'm seeing a lot of people on YouTube just replacing their silicone mats one after another, and I've had this mat for a long time, and so I just wanted to show you what I do to clean them so that I can reuse them over and over again and not have to continue to buy silicone mats. So basically, if you notice, I'm going to bring you in all of this silicone and all this glitter and all this other stuff. What I do is I clean it first by putting down some alcohol, and I wipe all of this stuff. And I do this once a week because after a week, you know how things can get nasty dirty after you've done multiple projects. And what that does is that kind of softens everything up, and you know, by making that mat moist. And then I take a piece of painter's tape, and then what I do is I just go around and it just comes right off with a piece of painter's tape. And it's simple. And it just brings your mat back the way it should be and takes all of that off. You guys know me by now. I can't stand a messy work area, but I've just seen a lot of people say that they constantly have to replace their silicone mats, and so this is a perfect way to clean them. And so I just wanted to show you what I do to clean them, because it's so simple. It only takes a few minutes of your time, and it takes everything off. And the way I see it is, if it can save you a little bit of money, because silicone mats are, some of them are cheap, but this one is my Let's Resin one, and I want to be able to keep it and use it for a long time. And if that means me keeping it clean, then that's what I want to do. And then once you get all of that off, and you may have to get another piece of tape, which is not that big of a deal. And I use the Clean Release Duck painter's tape. It's sticky, and I get a great big roll in the wide. And then once I'm done with that, I go back with my alcohol on my paper towel, put a little bit down, and look guys, brand new mat, all clean. And you can do that with any silicone mats, and it works fabulous. So if you can, I'm going to bring you down. You can see I got all of that off of there. And now my mat is clean and ready to go for my next project. So there you go, guys. I just wanted to share with you how I clean my mats. I've had a couple people mention that my work area is always clean, and that's how I do it. So that's my tip for Thursday. See y'all later. Bye.